Okay, let's be real for a second. If you're a creator or a marketer, you know that recording is actually the easy part. You can have the best content in the world, but if nobody sees it, it doesn't matter. The real bottleneck? It's the distribution. I used to spend 4 to 8 hours, literally my entire day, just trying to find a few good clips for TikTok and Reels from my long-form content. It was a total grind, watching everything back, time-stamping moments, adding captions word by word, and resizing for 5 different platforms. It was exhausting. Then I found ClipForge. This isn't just some paid promotion. It's actually the AI platform I use every single day to automate my entire repurposing pipeline. It has completely transformed my workflow and saved my sanity. The AI is scary good. It understands my speech and automatically picks out the exact moments most likely to stop the scroll, ensuring every clip starts and ends perfectly. It's like having a senior editor who never sleeps. Once it finds those moments, it handles the rest. Smart trimming, word-level accurate captions, and aspect ratio adaptation are all done automatically. One recording is instantly formatted for every platform I'm on, from YouTube to TikTok, with zero extra effort from me. And the brand consistency? It's flawless. I set my brand kit once, my specific colors, my fonts, my logo placement, and ClipForge ensures every single clip matches my look across my entire channel. It handles batch processing for an entire week's worth of content in minutes. Whether you're a solo creator like me, a podcaster, or you're managing a massive marketing team, ClipForge was built for this. It handles high-volume, professional production, so you can scale your social presence without the burnout. The math here is simple. I'm saving over 30 hours a month per content stream. That's hundreds of hours a year I get back to be creative and strategic instead of doing repetitive, manual, busy work. The ROI is just undeniable. Stop shouting into the void and wondering why your best work isn't getting noticed. Master your distribution pipeline and reach the audience you actually deserve. Don't let your best content just collect digital dust on a hard drive. Close the gap between what you create and what the platforms want. Visit ClipForge.io today and start clipping your way to the top. I promise your workflow will thank you.